Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna be doing a get ready with me. I just wanted to come and do a pop-in because I wanted to let y'all know I am gonna look cute, you know what I'm saying? So I'm here first. But welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming to check out a new video. I'll be doing a get ready with me. Do not mind how I look in this video. It's a real get ready with me. I'm about to walk out, so I have on my jacket. That's why I look like this. But you guys to see my whole outfit and my whole makeup and my hair and everything. So like I was saying, thank you guys so much for coming back to see another video. And if you want to see how I got my makeup, excuse these bright ass lights, just stay tuned because it's about to go down. Hey guys, I want to do something really quick in this video. I haven't done any beauty videos because one, if you are already subscribed, you know I just did my beauty room, so that took some time to do. Then I had other stuff going on. Then my main thing was that, as you can see, my lighting is pretty decent, right? So maybe I should put a different scarf on my head because I look a hot ass mess. I also had allergies, so it was really hard for me to sit in front of these lights and record. I'm still kind of squinting a little bit, if you can see. I'm still squinting because my eyes are still sensitive in front of these bright lights. They feel better. I recently got some eye drops, so they are doing better and they're getting better. So starting off, I always go in with my moisturizer, which is this Estee Lauder moisturizer. I always, like, once I put this on my skin, I instantly see a difference in my face, like instantly, like literally once it's fully rubbed in, I always see, like, my skin is like, it goes from being like a dry sponge to a sponge you just added water to. My eyes twitching. So for primer, I'm going back in with my Old Faithful, and this is the Makeup Essentials Mineral Face Primer. I haven't used this in so long. I was using like a glowing primer for the summer, and this is like, if you can see it, it's almost gone. This is like my holy grail primer. I was using this for a year straight, and I got it from Sephora. The people who, I don't know if it's from Sephora, the people who sell stuff outside of Sephora and be like, this is $120 value for only 20 bucks. I got it from them, and it was definitely worth it. Usually I think they gonna sell you something like crap, but it was so much stuff in the bag I had to buy it. I don't know what else I have by them, but every single thing that I bought in that bag that day is amazing. So if you don't know what this brand is, which is it's not called Makeup. I've been calling this brand Makeup Essentials all year. I never read the bottle. You know, you just see something quick and you just know what it says. It's called Makeover Essentials. I haven't used my Anastasia dip brow, and I didn't even tell you what I'm using. I'm using Anastasia dip brow. This motherfucker dry as hell. I'm just gonna be taking my Anastasia dip brow and filling in my brows. I'm not gonna fill in my brows crazy because, as you can see, I got enough brow, but you know, still gotta fill them in a little bit. With my Anastasia dip brow, I always like to go in with my NYX Micro Brow Pencil, and this is in the color black because my eyebrows are already pretty dark. I do not fill this in with my whole brow. I just go in the tail and like just fill in any of the sparse areas I see, just to make it pointy, because this brow pencil, I don't know if it's gonna focus, but this brow pencil is so skinny that it just really makes my brow point like perfect, and I really like that. Old Faithful Tarte concealer, Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan Sand. My NYX Total Control Foundation. I'm going to be using a beauty blender to apply it. little like off on camera, like it doesn't match my skin, but in person I promise you it matches me to a T. It looks like green. I was like Shrek. I'm gonna go back in with the same concealer I used earlier, which is that whatchamacallit, Tarte Shape Tape. Plus when I add my concealer, it's gonna bring in the lighter tones I have down here to make my face be like, you know, matching and stuff. It's so weird because I don't know who I heard it from, but I heard that somebody said that they was canceling the Tarte, I was about to say the Sharp. Somebody was canceling, they canceled the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I went to Sephora like months after I heard that rumor, and they were like, no. And I went to Ulta, and they was like, no, it's not canceled. They still have it. And I was like, what the hell? I promise you, I heard somebody on YouTube say they were canceling it, and they did not cancel it. It's still out. Well, maybe in Chicago it's still out. And I asked the guy, I said, are they canceling this? Because I heard a few months ago they were canceling it, and he was like, no, it's not canceled. They just came out with foundation too. I'm ready to go to the casket. So I'm gonna be going in with my Banana Powder, which I have not used in a long time. I usually use my Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder or my Laura Mercier regular powder, but I like this stuff. It's amazing. So I don't know why I stopped using it, and I bought this in college and I still have it. Hopefully, does it have a shelf life? 30 months. So it can, like, you know, bake, settling. I ain't really baking. It was only like 5 minutes. I was listening to music. But now I'm gonna go in and set my face, and I'm gonna be using this Sephora. That's annoying as fuck. I'm in the color Matte Tan 35. I'm gonna be using this brush. I didn't tell y'all any of the brushes I was using, but I really didn't use these brushes. All I used was, did I use brushes? No, I just used Beauty Blender. I only did my face so far. I used Beauty Blender for everything. A Beauty Blender for everything. This brush is by It Cosmetics, and it is the 225 complexion brush. I'm going with this Makeover Essential. Same thing I used to prime my face, that brand. I'm going with their contour kit, which is actually extremely good. I love their contour kit. I love all their products, like I said earlier, so you get that point. I'm not going with this. I'm not going with this brush. This brush is from eBay. It is called Jessup, and as you see, it's a very good quality brush. They were $16 for like a pack of like 18 or like 10, 12 to 18 brushes. I don't remember. The brushes are amazing. I had them for like 2, 3, no, I'd say about 2 years, and I love them. I have 2 sets. I have the black brush, the black set and the white set. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. Put the nose ring back in. So for highlight, I'm gonna go in with my Bobbi Brown Bronze Glow, and it looks like this, because this is kind of old, so if you've never seen it, it looks like that. I'm gonna go in with another Jessup brush. This is from the other one. I told you I had the white and the black set. This is from the black set, and this is the tapered highlighting brush. My lights are so bright that you guys can't even really see my highlighter, but it looked good. So now that my face is done, I'm gonna be setting my face, and I'm going in with the Pearl Essence Coconut Rose Hydrating Face Mist. I got this from TJ Maxx. I like this setting. I might have to use this setting because it's autofocusing, and before my camera was not autofocusing. For lashes, I'm going to be going in with the Better Than Sex mascara. I have the non-waterproof kind. I hate waterproof anything. It stresses me the hell out. And I got to get close to my mirror, so my mirror has to be in frame, guys. It's so weird because I do my mascara better with my eyes closed than I do with it open. I barely can do my mascara at all with my eyes open. So for lashes, I'm going to be going in with my Ardell Demi Wispies. Are they Demi Wispies? Well, these are just Wispies, not Demis at all. They are just Wispies. And I'm using this pair, which is the first pair out the pack. I've already used them, and I'm reusing them, and I take really good care of my lashes no matter how cheap they are, so they're gonna get reused. I use hair glue to apply my lashes. Do not judge me if you don't want to. Use what you want. So whatever makes you feel safe. And I'm a hypochondriac and I use this, so you know what I'm saying. But again, I have to pull this mirror close to me, so excuse me that this mirror has to be all up in y'all space or whatever. Y'all, now I gotta figure out what lip I'm wearing. I kinda wanna wear chocolate. Let me see. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in with the Limbo by ColourPop. This thing is so old. See, now that I'm feeling myself, like I said earlier, I'm gonna go back in with more highlighter. Now you can see it, you see? So this is what I'm wearing. I'm literally just going to go shopping because even though my trip is in a month, I got stuff I gotta get. It's my birthday. I'm turning 25. I just want to make sure I start in advance shopping and stuff. So I'm wearing this North Face. I have on like a basic ass crew neck under here, like a Hanes crew neck, and I'm wearing this North Face jacket. Like a little, I was about to say a windbreaker, but it's not really a windbreaker. I'm wearing these, I think these, I don't even know where. I got these leggings from Old Navy. These are Old Navy leggings, and then I have on some Uggs. So I feel like this is a pretty chill day outfit. But guys, thank you so much for watching this video. But yeah, this is a faux lock bun. I didn't, this is not my real locks. My real locks are underneath this. But I took some fake lock extensions and made my bun bigger because you guys know my locks are new, so they're short. But yes, if you want to see how I got a faux lock bun with real locks on my hair, go check out that video or subscribe so you can check it out when I post it. Everything that I use will be listed below. My social medias will be listed below. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.